Let's assume we had a spectator select a card out of the deck, right? During a performance of card magic, that is. And now it's time to bring the card back into play. So we kindly ask the spectator to place the card somewhere random into the deck. Check it out, there goes the ace pretty much in the center of this deck. And now we will cut the cards a little bit, check it out, just like that, or maybe like that. This is a very beautiful cut. Or likewise this one here, check it out. Now, after all this cutting with the card in the center of the pack, it shouldn't be possible to easily find the card, right? It should be kind of a task, but check this out. I pretty much just cut right to its position. OTHMARIUS Magic. Like and subscribe. Now, this ain't a tutorial on the whole sequence. This tutorial only covers the finishing move, producing the card with the swivel card here. However, I put together a pretty awesome playlist of in-depth tutorials showing you all the necessary steps to walk through the sequence, catching a pinky break, controlling the break with the double undercut, and then going through this false cutting sequence of the 3 boldest false cuts in gambling and conjuring, like I love to call this beautiful false cuts. So if we are finished here with the tutorial on the swivel cut production, feel free to catch up on the rest using the link in the info cards as well as in the description box. Now we start with a right hand overhand grip, also referred to as a biddle grip, the same grip we use for a lot of cutting techniques, likewise the swing cut, right? We hold the deck like so, and then the index comes and breaks the deck fairly in half and swings to the left, probably in one motion, just like that. And then the left hand thumb comes and contacts the outer left corner at the short side, just like that. Now in this position, you only have to move your right hand forward now, and the cards behave in that manner. The left hand stays steady, the right hand moves forward. Of course, you catch the package in an open palm, in an open and loose straddle grip with the pinky finger securing the cards at the inner short side. Overhand grip, index breaks the package in half, left thumb contacts the package at the outer short side of the left corner, and then the right hand moves forward with the package clipped between both thumbs, and with a certain speed it gets into this horizontal 180-degree spin, falling into the open hand, left hand. If you start this sequence from a standard left-hand operational grip, I like to refer to as the magician's grip. It's a elevated mechanics grip basically. The left-hand thumb is pretty much already in position, okay? So if you come now with your right hand to get hold of the deck in overhand grip, and you cut, you see you basically cut the top portion right there into the right position for the thumb, and then all you got to do is push forwards with your right hand and you get the package falling pretty much into the straddle position automatically. This is how it looks from this angle, and the cool thing here is it brings you immediately into pole position for the actual production of the card, because the next thing that's happening is that you are going to press with the tip of your thumb against the bottom of the package, respectively against the bottom card here. And if you slide down now with your right hand while pressing with your thumb or pressing the package against the tip of your thumb, this is happening. That's right. The bottom card automatically flips over, turning itself around face up onto the top of the whole deck. So if you do that, the bottom card is going to be clipped between thumb and package all the time. So it's clipped here at the bottom, and then it's clipped for a second between the long side and the thumb, and then it flips over face up onto the top of the deck. And that's how easy it is. So once again, the whole sequence: break the package in half, holding a overhand grip, thumb goes to the outer left corner, right hand moves forward, you are in pole position for bringing the package down, press tip of the thumb against the bottom card and have the package slide down with the card turning over to the top of the deck face up. By the way guys, this cutting technique, the swivel cut, can also be used as a pretty nice alternative for the double undercut in order to control a card to the top of the deck. Again, check the info cards as well as the description box for the tutorials on this one. And that's that. Guys, I hope this ride was worth your time and you learned something today. If so, smash that like button and also hit double combo, subscribe and notification not to miss future activities on this channel. This just has been the first tutorial in this tutorial series covering my favorite card productions in Card Magic. Thank you all so much for tuning in. That's it for me for now. You rest assured, more magical stuff is going to be uploaded very soon.